User joined your channel.
Owen. Owen.
User joined your channel.
Eat the breslin. Eat the breslin.
Let's get some fucking base builders going. Wherever, hey, when we set up our fucking FOs, let's fortify those motherfuckers.
User joined
so
your
they don't
channel.
get overran so easy.
Hoorah!
User joined your channel.
Owen.
Yeah, fully.
Oh wait, yeah. Create a squad quickly.
User joined your channel.
Create a squad, my man. Create a squad.
User joined your channel.
Yo, channel 6 boy.
68666 boy.
How you doing?
User joined your channel. User joined your channel. User joined your channel.
Wait.
Liam, do you want to go mortars or
Nah, screw the mortars.
we going FF?
Yeah, we're gonna go SF, mate.
Alright. So we're gonna rather
User joined your channel.
Alright, let's go
I don't know.
choose some armaments. You over here, Owen?
Come in useful at some point.
Yeah, you're right here.
Obviously always gonna be
User
in
joined
useful.
your
Yeah.
channel.
Yeah, hey, how you doing?
Hello?
Hello, I'm
Yeah.
right next to you. Owen, I got medic.
We're going
User
to
joined
8.
your channel.
Channel 8.
Owen, I got medic. Oh, you're right here. Alright, GG.
I'm standing on the box.
Test, test.
You're not standing on the box to me.
Cool. Alright, hey, let's get a fucking Humvee going. We gotta get out there, man. They're gonna be occupying shit here.
We still got just 1 minute 20. Dude, we got 1 minute 26
User
of
joined your channel.
battle preparations. So.
Liam,
What?
would you grab like a backpack and just fill it with med?
That's what I'm doing. I'm grabbing the medical backpack. Look, this bad boy.
I'll go stuff through us a vehicle.
Look at
User
this
joined
bad
your
boy.
channel.
He wants to take medic.
User joined your channel. User joined your channel.
You got a vehicle? Grab the ambulance Humvee, this
User
one.
joined your channel.
Yo, ignore.
Yeah. Right. Do you want to just go like frontline grunts or?
No, we're not gonna go grunts. We're gonna go in behind the enemies.
Oh
You know.
my God, we've got so many fucking people in.
You know what I'm saying? Join. Get in the vehicle.
Can people sit in the backpack? That's a real question.
User joined your channel.
Apparently, I'm in a different square. Hello. Can you hear me?
Okay, hold on, I'll skies off in a sec.
Can you just kick everyone from the squad? And then just, yeah.
User joined your channel.
Liam, do you want to grab an M2?
No. Let's go.
M2 Humvee.
No. Let's go. We're going in behind them. That's a waste.
Right, where we go?
Flank hard left.
Oh, we need to figure out where we're going first.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to roughly. Let me give you a nice little area. We want to go around here-ish. See that dot?
I get you.
And then we're gonna come in behind their little forward base here, like this. You see?
Nah, that's too far.
Nah, it's not far at all, mate. You
Trust
just.
me.
Nah, trust me, Daddy. You're a
By the
bit of a
time we
wimp.
get there, shit will be done. Trust me. Like by the time we get there, they'll probably already have Camp Kino and be pushed to staging point. It would be way out of it. There's no point going that far.
All right, so we'll drive to like here. I don't mind. We'll drive there instead. Just
I
drive.
think we should just go straight for Camp Kino, to be honest. Because if we try and go behind them...
Alright, no, we go behind them, but we go like down here to start with, because that one takes 2 minutes to drive, and then we come in behind them here, just so that as they're pushing up, we've got them, you know?
Right, I say we rush and take Camp Kino first.
That's not going to happen.
Well, then we're going to lose the game.
No, if we go, some other people are going to go for Kino, so if we go to that little marker and those bushes on the outside, we can kill the people that are pushing up. Trust me, Daddy, it's good.
But we need to get Kino as quick as we can.
Yeah, but some other people are going for Kino. That freaking dude that's, you know, an hoorah man is going there straight away. You know what I'm saying?
We're getting in, I swear. No, it's not. Okay, we'll go. And hello, whoever's in the back.
Alright, scrap dub. Lignog, how you doing?
I hate driving through these tears because every time I start going through, for some reason or another, I get
Crash.
No, it's just like the first time I ever drove down here, the first time I ever go through.
Hoorah man's an American, that's what I said.
Yeah, no. He just says hoorah to everything.
Hoorah!
I can't remember his name.
No, neither do I, but it doesn't matter.
I'm pissed off.
Hoorah!
Destroyed in that K52.
I know, freaking wrecking. But nah, no. Wait, are we already down at Kino?
Don't know. Check the map. I'm driving.
No, we're not.
User joined your channel.
We're already 1.1 away. GG. Boys, that's just... Oh my god.
Right, let me just take a quick second day to check the map.
Actually, Owen, we could have gone over here by FO2 and gone around the back of them that way to ammo dump. Then cut off construction
User in
site.
your channel timed out.
That would have been so easy.
Right,
Damn it.
Right, everyone's on Kino, so we might as well...
Yeah, let's go Kino. Yeah.
Go Kino?
No,
We could try and
push straight for
it.
construction. Push straight for construction. Just do it.
That's gonna get real messy real quick.
Yeah, just stop in the tree line just to push out on it. Don't go full vehicle in.
Right, I'm going the wrong way.
Go right. Yeah, you need to go right.
That would help. Alright, watch this.
Stop just down the hill. Yeah.
For a coast.
Yeah, you coast and then until you stop. You know. Oh god, we want to stop. We want to stop soon. Thank you.
Get a bubble.
Yeah, that's right, fat boy. He just stole the
I
Humvee.
thought I was going to desync around the Jeep truck.
That truck just don't care. He's just ramming all those trees down. You guys want to push into the building?
I'm following you. Let's go while there's no rooskies here, you know?
How do you know there's none here?
I can smell them from here.
So that means they're pretty close. Ruskies pushing in.
No,
Ruskies,
no.
Ruskies to the 300, pushing into the
Vehicles or
construction. On foot, on foot. Two
that.
contacts. Vehicle now.
Vehicles coming down the main road,
User
multiple
channel.
infantry down the main road.
User
Ready?
left
We're
your
taking
channel.
part. Can I get a range? 100 meters, 200 meters. Yeah, in the bush, behind the fence.
Dead.
Pushing the barn.
Secured. Good work out there. Papa Bear out.
Packing RPGs, every single one of them, fucking hell.
User joined your channel.
Inside.
Yeah, they're inside the barns.
Yep. We got explosives between us or not?
I'm watching the doors.
Just make sure no one RPGs us, alright?
Just keep suppressing fire at the windows if you can.
Can you suppress for us to push left?
I've just had some of them place down demolition blocks. We got friendlies pushing in from the north, full squad.
User joined
Yeah,
your
watch your
channel.
fire.
Risky. Moving left. Boys, move on. Use a friendly fire as cover, let's push.
Enemy vehicle.
Where?
South of construction.
Roger.
It's down.
I'm inside the area.
Enemy units disembarked. Okay, the inside's clear, we've got friendlies in here now.
Inside the barn as well, or not?
Yeah, in the barn, all friendlies and hill Russians down.
Good job. Friendly, dude, Dude.
Guys,
Dude.
medic?
Yeah, I'm medic.
Yes, I someone just get shot.
Dude, I'm medic. Dude, I'm friendly, man. You just shot me, dude. Cheers.
Yeah, you were running away from the enemy car.
No, man.
My bad, sorry.
Sorry, I'm a medic. I got tons of field bandages. It's all good.
Dude, stand still, I'm gonna heal you.
Right, can we get security around so that people are watching towards the northwest, please? We got no one watching northwest. Hey, dude. Got a sit rep.
I'm gonna stay by the flag, so as soon as we get enough, I can try and just cap it straight away.
Yeah. Roger that. I'm gonna be on
Looks like
medical
we got
standby.
West somewhere on the road, I can hear him shooting.
Yep. I'm on medical standby. If you need, just call. Yep. Make sure we're checking our flanks here.
All teams, objective secured. Good work out there. Papa Bear out.
Oh, they got demo blocks in here, or we have.
I think it was originally them, but they're all taken down, so they can't activate them.
Yeah. There's loads of them.
We're gonna hold the construction to just fend off
Yeah.
whoever's pushing now, and then we'll try and push Arma dump if we really need to.
Do you want to get a head start though and just push on Arma dump? They've got a lot of people there. Yep. Do you need final treatment? Alright.
User joined
We
your
got someone in
channel.
town.
Roger.
I've just been here, somewhere over here.
We got contacts southwest, by the way, man.
Roger.
Moving.
Anyone need ammo?
That's a negative.
Roger.
Enemy vehicle.
Yeah, he's coming towards the main road, everyone get ready.
Is he
He's
just
to
trying
the
to drive in?
northwest. They're disembarked.
Be with you in a minute, dude.
Oh, he knows you.
Yeah, it's right. I've shot him though.
I'm down, there's enemy infantry on the mark just by the house.
Yeah, it's right. I'll come get you in a minute.
The range.
Can you give me cover on him so I can push for that dude to get him up?
Where's he? Is he by that Jeep?
He's left side of that greenhouse.
Construction site.
That where I'm shooting there. Where I'm shooting there. Yeah.
Reloading HE round.
It's right. I had cover. So good. I'm pushing. Owen, is this you I'm pushing on now?
Yeah.
Alright.
He's in the building.
Yeah, I know exactly where he is. I already hit him.
Alright.
I'm giving you a field dressing to stop the bleeding. I've got a guy covering us with HEs already, so that's alright.
I think when we get this, we should just push back a bit because they're starting.
Yeah, we should fall back. Yeah.
We definitely want to hold this point.
I'm gonna give you some morphine before I give you adrenaline, so you know you can actually see something. Oh, you're getting up already or not?
I just need adrenaline. Give me
Yeah, I'll give you adrenaline right in a second. Just morphine will stop your pain, alright?
Right, as soon as I get it. Right, where is the cover?
User
in relation
left
to
your
me?
channel.
Your cover. Alright, we're gonna need heavy cover in a second, dude. The cover's on your left right now.
Moving forward.
There's a guy in the corner of the building in front of us. I'm hit.
Right, hold on.
Shite, we're taking shots. Our cover's down, our cover's dead. Our cover's dead.
Spiking this side.
Yeah, I need to heal 1 second. Cover. Left side of us.
Go, somewhere.
I'm bandaging.
He's trying to go.
Nice one. There's a guy on our right as well, Owen. You see that building on your right there? The little
little
grey
guy.
one? The little grey one.
Right.
Grey one. He's peeking corner of that. One dude in front of us. Magazine!
Pushing back, cover.
That's right. Oh, everything's frozen for me again. Oh, what the hell?
Leave you up.
The
We just
game.
made it back in.
Yeah, the game froze for me.
Yeah, he's coming next.
Yeah, I'm here. Is it you that needs medic? Or who,
User in your channel
Uh,
timed out.
watch out, there's a guy in front of us on our left. He's tagged
I'm
twice. He's tagged twice. No problem. Do you need anything else or not? You good? Frag out. Owen, where you at?
I just pushed over here to see if I can spot any of them.
I'm thinking we push far left behind the red building. Move back
I
up
see some
towards the
up
hill.
on this tree line.
Yep.
Up in that tree line, up in that tree
Yeah,
line.
I know. Laying down. Oh, I can't cover you. I'm reloading.
Take out one.
Good job. Pushing left. Pushing left.
Take one down.
Moving left.
User joined your channel.
Owen, I'm on you. We got one behind a tree further along than this. He's taking shots. Our dude's taking shots.
Yeah, I've got eyes on the guy shooting. He's got friendlies up in the tree line as well.
Yep. Roger that.
He's sort of like, I'll give you a bearing. He's 246 degrees. He's out there in the fields on you. You can just about see him. I think he's moved now. Yeah, he's moved. I tagged him once or twice. There's friendlies here.
Roger that. Yeah, roger that.
Can you hear me? Okay.
Yeah, I moved off on you. You've been tagged. You just need
My
final.
friendly's in this tree line.
Dude.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
that's
shit.
That's friendly, it's friendly, I think.
Yeah. Giving you final.
You need to just watch the tree line. Cheers.
No
Watch the
problem.
tree line because they're.
Alright, moving left. Give me cover.
Yeah, they've smoked it off a jump.
Yeah, it's all good.
Contacts west by the big rock. Marking on
Roger
map.
that.
They're trying to make their way into the city.
Roger.
Look.
I got contacts front of me.
Take him down, hostile.
User joined your channel.
You guys in the woods, careful to your east as well. Something's marked on map.
Shit, yeah, there's some behind us. I might just fall back just in case.
I got one in front of me. Can't move.
Up hit. Oh shit.
Yeah, there he is.
Shooting
He's
at me,
there.
shooting at me,
Yeah, I
shooting
know. I'm moving left. Watch, he's shooting at you.
Are they flanking you?
Yeah, Liam, we got some behind us as well. Watch out,
I'm coming out.
guys,
I'm coming out. Yeah, I see them. There's an MG pinning you.
I got the one that was shooting at you.
Right, push east, push east. We need to kill these guys.
Yeah, moving. I'm guessing that's you in front of me.
There's one prone right here.
Yep. Roger. Moving.
He's down, he's down.
Magazine. Moving. Nice one, nice one.
His body is on.
Right on his body, yeah. Hey douchebag, how you doing? Do you want me to heal you just so I can shoot you in the head?
Oh, don't heal it. Where's the mid? Yeah, that's right.
We got any more contacts, you think, or are we all good? Let's just clear these woods just in case. Let's just clear this bottom part down here.
I'm just gonna push up to where they were because there's still smokes there just in case they're trying
Yep.
to push there again.
Roger, I'll come with you. We can
Whenever
then.
you got time, I need any med supplies if you got any.
Yeah, I'll come to you now and give you some. I need to regain some breath first.
Right, I'll move to you.
That's right, I'm coming to you.
User joined your channel. User joined your channel.
Stay where you are, sorry, I'm coming. Do you want me to just stick them in your bag?
Yeah, I could do something about it. And I need final as well whenever.
Watch out, is that an enemy? Enemy!
Okay, where?
Front. Just over that horizon, that hill.
Direct.
Southwest 200.
200?
Yeah, 200. He literally ran down the hill.
Making my way back to you guys.
We got contacts in front of us.
Cover that, yeah, southwest. Contacts up on this hill.
Roger.
User joined your channel.
Moving up. Fire coming from the west.
I'm here. I'm nearly dead. There's 2 here. I'm down. There's 2 here.
Roger, we'll wait on him.
Alright, I'm pushing behind you, hold on.
I think I got one.
The RPG came out from the west, somewhere in the fields. Leave you down, are you up?
No, I'm bleeding out.
User left your channel.
Bit them down. I'm hit. I'm still up. Take a from the northwest.
Yeah,
Get smokes.
behind the
Get
trees.
smokes.
Try.
He's down.
User joined your channel.
Good job.
We need to try and get Liam as quick as you can, because they're going to be pushing us in a minute.
I'm gonna drag you off to the east.
Roger. I can final myself just as long as you give me adrenaline.
Right, this...
Oh, behind, east.
Down.
Leading out.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Field dress. Cover.
Up, reload.
There's loads
Oh
of...
man. Where's he?
We got one to our left as well, Joe. To our east. I'll go get him.
South.
One down.
I'm knocked out. I got hit by an RPG.
Fuck.
I mean, can you just pump adrenaline into me? That's all I need, just
Yeah.
adrenaline.
I'm
Thanks.
bleeding now. If you get up, just
Yeah,
tell me I'm getting him.
Yeah.
Like I was saying, blue medics and then like the beigey colour just generate everyone else.
Yep.
I'll get you up. Liam, cover me.
I'm not up.
How
Yeah,
you
I'm not
guys doing?
up. I'm still on the ground. I'm bleeding out.
You guys at the
Bleeding out.
SRP, come west, help us out.
I think I'll need a bandage as well.
I also need the revive.
Be with you in 2 secs. As soon as I get up.
Run in. Maybe banding myself so I don't bleed.
Yes, that's no problem. That's no problem.
Right, everyone
Just
put
get
your
yourself
foot
some
in the
smoke
water
cover
first.
if you can.
I'm up.
I didn't want to speak.
I need field dressing.
Yeah, I'll give you that in a second.
Yeah,
As soon as I get up. Alright, I'm not bleeding. I think I need adrenaline again.
I need to take some of your body here.
You okay up there, President?
Yeah, we just got like kit up here.
Apparently there's lots of enemies to the east of construction site pushing in.
Right, as soon as we get up, we should go up there.
Yeah, we will
Maybe
do.
we can
We will do.
flank
I need to give. Right, we're gonna need to fall back and then I can give everyone final.
Oh, there you go.
I'm bleeding out.
Yeah, right, we need to hide.
Right? Wait, you're bleeding out or?
Yeah.
I'll get you.
I got field
Thanks.
dressing for you.
And I need more
I'll
food.
get him.
I got field dressing going into him. It's alright.
Oh shit, there is someone. I'm gonna go see them.
Thanks. You got more food?
No problem. I can do in a second. Let me just give myself a
Yeah,
field,
go ahead.
field dressing. If someone can get smoke, that'd be brilliant. Like, we need cover. I'm dead. How am I dead? Really?
Bon, ah bah, c'est reparti. Alors là.
Come on. Come on, let me spawn. What the hell? Oh, injured.
Yeah, Liam, if you can come support us, we've got guys pushing us. I think
I'm coming. I don't know how I died, but I died apparently. What's your location? Your location is what?
Same area from where you died in that tree line.
Yeah, I can't remember that.
To the south of construction.
Alright.
Southwest, sorry. Should I make sure that bandaging? Southwest of me.
User joined your channel.
Right, running up to you.
Liam, watch out, supposedly there's contacts to this east of us.
User left your channel.
Really? I'll be behind them then. Oh yeah, wait, I think I got eyes on one. Oh, that's a friendly.
No.
There's guys in that house,
What's your guys' location direct? Like, proper location, so chords.
User left your channel.
Oh, I think I see it. No, I see you laying down, don't
I'm the
worry.
orange one, yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
Need a medic?
Taking
Yeah, I'm
shots
moving.
west. Watch the west, Liam, watch the west.
I can't, I'm coming to give you a medic.
Yeah, so it's about to bleed out. I'm almost passing out right now.
Don't worry, I'm coming. That's grenade. Where is he? Where's Kate?
I'm right here.
Wait, oh, I see it. Coming.
Just passed out right now, though.
Is that your smoke?
I'm getting you field dressing. Yeah, I tracked the smoke. Oh, I'm hit. I need to bandage, man. Oh, we need covering fire. Right, man, I'm gonna put some adrenaline in. If I can, I can't give you adrenaline. What the hell? You copy, Kate?
I'm knocked out.
I can't
Joined your channel.
actually give you adrenaline, it won't let me. I got no option on you.
I'm getting shot by.
Kate, I have no option to give you adrenaline, what the hell?
you have adrenaline?
Yeah, I definitely have. I have 40 of it,
Yes,
for Christ's
I have
sake.
adrenaline. Go there.
I'm just gonna give you morphine, I don't know. And then it might give me the option for it. I'm gonna move away and come back. Oh, and you knocked out?
Yeah.
Oh, and where you at?
Almost at
Okay, does this shoot him?
I have enemies close.
Yeah, he's right next to us, dude, but it's alright, we got this. He's literally next to us, just give him me a moment.
Okay.
You got him, nice one. You're gonna need final, so give me a minute. That's behind us. Owen, where you at? Is Owen down? That's it. You good now, Cade?
Thanks. Yeah, I'm good.
No problem.
Being sure that.
Let's get to
There's
bed.
an arm moving now.
Dude, I'm a medic. I'm coming to give you final.
There's marks of the soldiers behind
Yeah,
you
I need
guys.
a medic.
Yeah, I'm here, I'm here.
Behind? Oh, yeah.
To the southeast. I can go to that. Hold on.
Moving out right now. Yeah, they're behind us for sure.
You good?
Taking shots.
Get some suppressor fire down. I'm gonna shoot some HEs over there.
I got eyes on one, pushing left, pushing left.
User joined your channel. User left your channel.
HE's going out.
I just got shot close to me.
It's 249, boys.
Alright, I'm out of HEs. I'm gonna have to get ammo soon.
Hey, who's this? Ow!
There's one close to me.
Yeah, don't
One
worry.
close to my body, one close to my body.
I need help. I'm gonna bleed out in a second. I need cover.
I feel dry.
Yeah, I know you do, but at the minute that's not priority.
Going to die.
Dude, I can't help you. I'm helping Owen right now.
I know, I'm next to you. Stop one on the ground.
There's 3 on the ground. Owen, I'm coming for you. I've got smokes up. I've got 3 smokes out, so we're alright. Right, I'm gonna give you adrenaline, and then I'm gonna give you final. Right, I'm giving you final now. Final now.
Happy. I don't know where I got hit from. The guy sounded like he was next to me in the street.
I know, he sounded close, didn't he? I need to give myself morphine.
I'm pushing back a little bit.
But I think we need to fall back and watch construction because they might be trying to cap us here.
Yeah, it's all fall back.
Let's start falling back towards construction.
There's one guy in there right now.
Yeah, I
Roger, vehicle southwest.
Anyone got light AT?
I'm out of HE rounds.
Tony might be coming to
Contact
the
front.
steering.
Contact front.
User
Right,
left
copy
your
that.
channel.
Contact southeast. Yeah, contact southeast, being engaged.
Let's set up an FO.
Not sure if I hit
Direct
that.
south. Give some suppressive fire.
One down.
UAC to the east.
One by the beige building. Two down. Someone keep an eye on our southwest in case we get flanked.
Roger.
I'm moving down close to construction.
One in my body.
Where are you at? Oh, I see. Close east. Down by all the fallen trees.
Who's at FO2 with me?
I need help trying to get this guy up.
Alright, where are you?
User joined your channel.
You guys still on the
Here
hill?
to the east. Southeast of the forest, yeah.
Pushing and coming up.
I don't know if I got the guy that killed him. I was just
What
shooting
about side?
him. I just called for a medic on that spot.
Yeah, coming.
Once you guys are ready and can, try and defend construction. I'm just going to set up here and push with ammo dump with the rest of the team basically, see if we can catch
Never mind, the guy respawned.
Coming. Where is he? He's right here.
He respawned.
Oh. Right, we need to hold construction.
Roger.
We've got multiple enemies coming from the southwest, so.
Lots of RPGs going in.
Yep. Enemy front, 12 o'clock on me. See him, RPG guy? See him in the woodland? 12 o'clock on me.
Wait.
I'm pushing towards
User
him.
joined your channel.
He's this way.
Roger.
User left your channel.
Taking shots, heavy fire.
He's coming from the north.
Yep.
I don't have any more AG rounds on my grenade
Don't worry
launcher.
about it. Hey dude. There's a guy that just pushed down here, did you get him? Hey man.
They're inside this yellow house. In the
Yeah, I
compound.
see him.
I'm hit.
Don't worry, I'm a medic, dude. Let me just chuck a smoke out to cover us and I'll get you medic.
Medic one to the southwest. Is hit.
Dude, I'm gonna give you final treatment. I'm giving someone final treatment already. Put a medic marker on it, I'll be there. Enemy BTR to the southwest.
User joined your channel.
Right here, medic.
Yeah, I got him. Dude, we got a BTR to the southwest. He's pushing on us now.
We can get out of
He's right behind us.
What is inside of it?
Right behind us, BTR.
The room in that red building if you're in ammo dump.
Oh, and we have a BTR right behind us.
I don't have any more HE, so I can't.
You're
Enemy
there.
infantry west, in the open field. There's one guy.
Standing.
Watch out west.
Right, we need to
They're
fall
crossing
back.
the
We need
open
to fall
field.
back. We need to fall back.
Whoever's is next to me, which has a whole squad up in there.
The guy that yellow compound's down. Watch out
I'm
west,
moving.
west.
Yeah, I know. I need to bandage.
User joined your channel.
Reloading. Hit it across. Watch out that green building.
We need help over at construction
User
if
left
anyone
your
can bring it.
channel.
You've got a whole squad squad of 3 squads of guys in there, so you're good.
User in your channel timed out.
We're really not.
All teams, objective
capture
secured.
that, let's go,
Good work out there.
Enemy infantry by green building.
Roger. Teammate just went down, pushing on him.
Watch out north of us at that greenhouse.
Yeah. Hey dude, I got you, don't worry. I'm coming. Oh crap, that's a grenade. That's a smoke. Alright, good.
Back off, good morning, sir.
Dude, did he just respawn? Seriously?
Way more.
Oh, yeah, front.
User joined your channel.
Did he respawn?
User joined your channel.
Medic over here.
Inside a little room, there's a
Yo, watch out, AT, get out.
Dude, come over here if you want medic, come over here.
Anyone here got AT?
We're being suppressed from the southeast forest.
Yeah, I know. Just come over into this corner. Yep, it's alright, I have you. Giving you a full just. You good?
We're getting surrounded, but they can't cap this anymore, so it's fine.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why we're even still here.
Well, we can't get out without.
Yeah. Cade, push down here.
Right behind you.
Yo, you got AT, the guy on our squad.
Yeah, I know, seriously, I put a whole mag in him.
Yeah, that's so dumb. Alright, we got 2 minutes now.
I need to heal. And then I'll get you up, dude, in front of me.
APC north side of Arma Dump.
Dude, I'm coming to get you up. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. You're alright, I got you.
You can fuck his wheels if you want.
Whoa, taking heavy fire,
Southwest.
Yeah, I'm taking heavy fire.
Yeah, he's just suppressing us. He can't see us over the ridge.
Yeah, dude, I cut. Well, I mean, he was shooting hardcore at me.
Oh, he was? Alright.
Yeah.
I'm marking it on
You got smoke?
I ran out.
I got one out there. Dude, I'm coming back to you.
Getting this one guy up.
Right guys, as soon as you can, try and push down with them. They can't do anything with construction site at the moment.
What the fuck? AC for the tank. Nice.
Nice, boys, we won.
Nice, GG guys.
Good
GG.
job.
GG. AC for the tank. That's new.
Alan Snipebot BF40.
Yeah. It's not Battlefield. What the fuck you talking about?
He didn't shoot Alan Snipebot, so it wasn't legit, you know.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter. It's new Battlefield. It's like Battlefield 5 now.
Yeah, all recons can do it, it's alright.
Yeah, I was a recon, I didn't do it.
I see. Woo, baby! Get out of my sky, boy! I can't go right anymore. I can't go right. I can't. Get out of my sky, boy! Get out of my sky! You're not allowed in here.